In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pizza scones. For this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some non-stick cooking spray, 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1/2 cup of pepperoni, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and 3/4 cup of milk. Chop your pepperoni into small pieces, or do it like I do, the ultra easy way, and cut it with scissors. Next, shred your cheese. It's always best to shred your own cheese instead of buying that processed bag stuff. Next, you're going to mix the flour, baking powder, Italian seasoning, and salt together. Now, using a pastry blender, 2 knives, your hands, whatever you have, you're going to cut in the butter. Now mix in the cheese. Now add in the pepperoni. If you really love pepperoni, feel free to use more than 1/2 cup. Stir in the milk just until everything is moistened. Drop the dough by heaping tablespoonfuls on a lined baking sheet. And spray the scones with non-stick cooking spray. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees for 13 minutes. Place on our wire rack to cool for a few minutes. I hope you liked this video. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.